today is Wednesday. No, today's Thursday. I don't know what date it is in November. Thursday. Just leaving Jackson's on a roll award service. He was honored like with a top tier honor. I think it's got a chancellor honor roll. So very, very proud of him. But we offered to take him by the school, but he was like, no, he wants to stay. So JB and I are gonna get something to eat. But yeah, guess what? I had to go back and find some new garland, and I found some at TJ Maxx. They're all in the back. I gotta show you when I go home, but we're gonna grab something to eat because I'm starving, and then I'll show you what the garland is, and I have to find some garland hooks. Then we can start playing. Okay, I'll check back in with you in a little bit. Bye. So guys, I have a story to tell you, right? I've always wanted to put a Christmas light on our house, but I did not know how expensive it was. So someone came in and gave us a quote for almost $1,500 to put Christmas lights up and take them down. So JB and I decided, instead of doing that, let's put in some landscape light, which was cost maybe like half the price, like around $600 or $700. So we decided to just elevate our outside for the winter season. So landscape lights, new mulch, have our landscaper come and retrim all the shrubs outside. Once it's done, it looks amazing. Best investment ever. These lights going to be here year round. So I'm loving it. If you guys do Christmas lights, let me know if that's a price y'all pay. But I love it. My landscaper started shaping up the trees, and we had our grass treated, but look at it. It looks so good. Best decision ever. We also replanted this new tree right here because it got blown down by the wind. But I think it's very important to take care of the outside of your house as much as the inside. So I'm very happy that we took our time to think about it, not be impulsive. But we love this. We love the yard. Now let's go inside. Okay, guys, I'm going to start working and creating my garland. Right here, I have some back there, I have some outside, and I'm going to be using these command hooks. I got these from Home Depot. They were sold out on Amazon, so I'm going to use these. Because my fireplace doesn't have the thick mantle, I think I have to just put them flat right here like this, because there's no, it would be nice if I could do it like this, but I can't because I don't have that width right here. So I'm going to put it on top like that, and then hopefully it does what it's supposed to do. So I'm going to come back in a little bit and show you how it looks, okay? Hey, so I did not get the viral garland because I want to do something different, but I got something similar to it, and I got it from TJ Maxx. So this is the Aspen Real Touch 12 feet garland. Oops. So this was $50, and I believe I got two of the same thing, and then I got one different. This one, right? I've never done anything like this before. I'm extremely nervous, but I'm gonna try it. If it don't work, I'm gonna return it and call it a day. But thanks for the love of my Christmas tree. I love it. My husband love it. We all love it. So that's good. And it's I'm home today, and I'm trying to make, right now I'm making, it's called green gumbo. I saw it on TikTok. So it's pretty much using kale, spinach, and collard greens, along with all the other things like shrimp and what my husband called it, ham hock, this big bone thing. So I'm trying to make it so it smells so good. Hopefully it tastes good. But I'm nervous. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Okay. I'll be back. All right, guys. So I'm gonna layer these two together. Then I'm gonna use the ribbons to tie them. And then once I put it up there, I will fluff it out to make it look full. And then I have the commands already stick onto the fireplace, so hopefully give it time to hold. I'm not even gonna take the tags off here because I'm just not quite sure. I spent a lot of money in this, so I want to see first that it works. Listen, I'm no pro at this, but just gonna see. I just want to fall naturally. You know what I'm saying? So it doesn't look too forced. Yeah. And it's gonna be, because I have the Christmas tree on the left side, I want the left side to be short and then the right side to be longer. So this is both of them. Hopefully this command hook can hold it. Let's see how much the max it can hold. So that's gonna be messed up. It doesn't say what's the max it can hold, but we're gonna find out today, as Kevin Hart would say. Wish me luck. Okay, for right now it's up, so now I gotta go do the thing. All right, so all right, okay, it's gonna be bad first before it gets better, then it become great. All right, bye. All right, guys, quick update, right? So I don't know, it doesn't quite match the tree, but I have some pick something similar to this that I'm gonna add throughout, but I feel like this is the base and I just gotta still play with it and fluff it out. I still have some gaps like right here, and then I'm going to add some more things right here. Typically, honestly, I would love for it to be very, very identical to this because, you know, but it's also, it doesn't look bad though. I don't think so. I like it. It's different. Okay. Let's keep on going. And I got to find some way how to add the ends right here, you know. So let me know if it's bad that it doesn't match that. It's gonna stay because I'm not taking it down, and hopefully it doesn't fall down. Okay guys, so I think I can see like the shorter piece of my garland, but I want to show you a few more things I got from HomeSense, right? No, oh, this smells good. Remember I mentioned that I'm not doing Christmas gifts this year, but I saw these boxes and I'm like, these boxes are really, really pretty, you know. So I feel like I could use this to give JB little gifts, little personal gifts. So it's 2, so I think I'm going to use that in our bedroom. So this would be cute, like right beside the mirror, and that's a blanket and this on top. Put some of the fun gifts in here for JB. That's what I'm thinking, not down here. And this was in this bag, and this bag smells amazing. I bought some holiday candles because honestly, oh, I don't know what I bought them. Normally I buy like Joe Malone or Nest, but them things burn very fast, and I wasn't trying to spend a whole lot of money on that. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like. that blanket, those blanket in that basket. We're gonna change it up. So, oh my gosh, this smells so good. So this is mimosa and cardamom. It smells so good. So I'm just gonna have them burn. Hopefully when I light it, it gives the same vibe off. And I try to keep it neutral. I'm going to get some diffusers too from Target. I like Target diffusers because I wasn't planning on hosting Christmas with that pressure, as I mentioned before. But my husband's mom and brother and his wife and his daughter, they're coming in town. Of course, they're gonna come by, probably stay here a couple nights. So, you know, I want the house to kind of have that full holiday vibe going. So, anytime I'm cooking though, but y'all can come over. So I got this one. Isaac Mizrahi. He's a designer. I've never bought this candle before. Oh my gosh. It's 6 wicks. This was $20. And if worst case scenario, if I don't, I'm gonna burn it, okay? And they can also use the canister, the jar for different things because it's very pretty. And what else? Oh, I saw these. And honestly, I saw these and what's her name? Hannah Naylor. I wouldn't say that girl, but that lady. When it comes to home decor, honey, she's so good. So I saw this on her thing and I'm like, love the color. The scent is not I wouldn't have picked it up, but it wouldn't be my first choice for the scent, but I also love to smell fresh Christmas trees. And that's what this gives. It's literally called Fir Needle. And I bought 2 of these because maybe I can be burning 2 at one time. Can I get a nice little mixed vibe? So I bought 2. This was $8.99. And I think I bought another one. Yeah. So I think if I have these and some diffusers going for the holiday, I should be fine. I told you guys I'm really thinking about investing into the hotel collection that have the scent that comes through the vent. Sometimes these candle prices adds up, but I changed my mind so much. Oh, and I saw this today. It's my first time seeing this one, the Rick Owens cover table book. I bought it because my son Jackson loves Rick Owens. He wants one of their shoes, and in my opinion, I think it's just Converse with a bigger bottom, but what do I know? And then I saw this Joanne Gaines. I never seen this one before, which I think I'm going to put in my kitchen as a part of my styling. And I might try to make something from it, you know. Oh, geez Louise. Bacon wrapped scallop. That looks really good. So that might be nice to have display, and you know, yeah. I'm gonna show you what this look like. It's I like it a lot. It came up better than I thought it would, and I'm happy that I created it. So I have a few little more tweaks to it, but I love it. So I'm gonna show it to you. And I know I haven't shown you guys the new table. I probably should in this video too, depending on how long it is. That we got from Goodwill. So let me show you, because I haven't posted a video in a minute. So let me show you. So pretty. This is what it looks like after much tweaking and plucking and tucking. This is what it looks like. I love it. It's simple. I did it regardless of how I felt, the fear. JB loves it. We love it. I hope you guys like it. I just use a bunch of different green with eucalyptus just everything. I popped these are the red, I guess berry stems I got from Hobby Lobby just to make it pop a little bit. I wish it was a little bit fuller, but nevertheless, we love it. It's different. I've never done anything like this before. So challenge yourself to create something new in your home. Enjoy this holiday season, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Bye.